Hi, this is Griffin with Mega Prima Home Furniture, and today we're going to be building the Mainstays 12 Cube Storage Organizer. This is the white finish, and this product can only be found on Walmart.com. Before you start, you want to make sure that none of your panels have any damage and that you have all of your hardware. If you have any issues, you can contact the number on the front of the manual and we'll get you taken care of. If everything is in order, then we can begin assembly. Okay, for step one, you're going to want to take 2 of your A panels, 2 of your C panels, and 6 of your D panels, and then 20 of the shorter plastic dowel pieces. We're going to insert 2 plastic dowels into each of our D panels here, and you want to do it on the same side in the outer 2 pre-drilled holes. Next, we're going to put 2 plastic dowel pieces into each of these 4 panels here, 1 in each end in the middle pre-drilled hole. For step 2, we're going to take our last 3 D panels and our 12 longer plastic dowel pieces, and we're going to put 4 plastic dowels into each panel into the 4 outermost pre-drilled holes on the unfinished edges. So 2 on each side. Okay, for step 3, we're going to need our 2 A panels, our 2 C panels, our D panels with the long plastic dowels, and then our D panels with the short plastic dowels. To start, we can go ahead and start with our A panel over here. We'll notice that one side has more pre-drilled holes than the other. We want the side with only 3 pointed towards the outside. We will then grab our D panel here, the short plastic dowels. We'll insert 3 of those with the dowels into the A panel. We will then grab a C panel, then grab our D's, stick it through, try to line them up. If they fall down, it's no worries. Just try to get it going here, just like that. This one in here. Okay. We're then going to slide on our next C panel here. And we're going to grab our last D panels. And then lastly, our A panel here. Okay, for step 4, now that we have our A panels, C panels, D panels with the long plastic dowels, D panels with the short plastic dowels, we're going to use 6 of our screws here, and then 6 of our caps once we have them screwed on. We're just going to screw 3 into each of our A panels here. Okay, then once you have those 6 screws in, you can then cover them up with our 6 white caps. Okay, now for step 3, we're going to attach our B panels and then use 16 more of our screws to attach it. So first we'll go ahead and get these B panels attached. Okay, then once you have it on there, this one fell down, but it's fine. We'll go ahead and just screw the other one in first. We're going to use 8 screws here to screw this in. Okay, then we're going to use 8 screws over here on this other side. Okay, then once you have all those screws on there, you can go ahead and cover them up with your little caps. Okay, for step 6, we're gonna nail down our E panels here. We're gonna use our nails, this little nail holder. To use this, you simply just want to insert a nail into the little hole here. Then you'll just hold this up against the unit and then nail down. So you'll want to line up this E panel. You'll notice that one side has little perforated holes. You want those facing up. That's going to tell you where to nail down. Then you just want to make sure that you line all of these edges up so that you're nailing down into the middle of the panels here. Okay, for step 7, we can go ahead and stand our unit up. Okay, once you have your unit stood up, you'll want to find a wall to put it up against. And once you find a wall, you can go ahead and attach your safety assembly here. You'll want this little screw, put it through the washer, then put that screw through this longer edge of the bracket here. Then you'll put this unit up against the wall. Determine how far you need this to reach out to where you can mount this up against the wall to keep the unit from falling over on anyone. I'll just go ahead and pick a spot in the middle here. You just kind of want to twist it back and forth a little bit and then start screwing down. Then you want to leave this a little bit loose so that whenever you mount this to the wall, after you mount it to the wall and you get it exactly where you want it, you can go ahead and finish tightening that down, and it'll keep the unit from falling over. After you've attached your safety assembly to a wall, your unit is now complete.